2017 Chevy Z71 5.3 liter V8. We showed you guys this about, I think, a month ago. We did some exhaust work on it. We did some duals. And then he brought it back because we'll show you in a second. Got factory converter there. Factory converter there. We're going to put some BBK headers next on it, hopefully. He'll be bringing it back. Then what we did is put a high flow converter on it, right there. We eliminated the third cat and put a high flow in its place to get it sound even deeper. It's got a Flow FX by FLOWMASTER dual setup with Flow FX in the front, a wide pipe behind it, and 2 1/4 tailpipes, mandrel bent all the way back into some 4" by 18 rolled black tips right there. He wanted it a little bit louder, a little bit deeper. Hopefully that third cat replacement will change that sound. And if it doesn't, then the BBK headers are next and high flow cats. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. This is round 2 again. Much better. It is louder. I like it. Flow FX. Again. Your sound decibels. Again. 99. I actually gave it a little bit deeper tone than before. Let us know what you guys think in the comments. I think it sounds good. Let you guys hear on the inside. Silverado. I like it. I was fond of those body styles right there. I don't know about the new ones. They're still growing on me. You guys, let me know. What do you guys think? This body style or the new body style?